Part of the magic of these islands is they've never been attached to a continent by a land bridge. They've just come up in the midst of the ocean, and they've evolved in complete isolation because of that. And one of the dominant families of animals on the Galapagos are reptiles, or dinosaurs basically. If there's one animal that's emblematic of these islands and what they represent, it's the giant tortoise, persecuted by man for 200 years because their flesh was so sweet tasting and would last for weeks in the hold of a ship. The oil they produced was perfect for butter and for lighting lamps. And they also had sweet water in their necks, fresh water that they were carrying around as a reserve, but was perfect to drink for sailors. So it was an animal that was ideal to be carted off, put in a ship's hold, and you'd sail away. But now it's an emblem of the amazing conservation efforts that have happened in the Galapagos since. So there used to be 250,000 around the island group. By 1980, there were only 15,000 left. And then a program started of eradicating invasive species, a breeding program. This is the breeding center at the Charles Darwin Research Station. And gradually the population started to recover. Just here, there's 1,440 giant tortoises being raised. They're going to be released back into the wild. The lifespan of these animals is 170, 200 years. Think of the things they've seen. They've seen our sins, and now they're seeing our efforts to restore those populations. Another animal just intimately associated with these islands is the marine iguana, the only truly marine lizard in the world. Eats green algae in the shallows there. The only animal on Earth that can shrink its own skeleton when times are hard. For example, El Nino hits the island, less food. A marine iguana makes itself smaller. You can only spend an hour or so each day in the sea because the rest of the time it has to bask in the equatorial sun and warm up. Charles Darwin called them imps of darkness. So this is the place where you can truly say, "Here there be dragons." It's the Galapagos for you.